Friends, Brian back here. I thought I'd pop in and take a look at this chart real quick and cover a couple of things going on with Kaspa here that you guys might be interested in. Number one, right now Kaspium is now live, version 1.01 release. That's the Kaspa mobile wallet, Kaspium in crypto, and likewise with Kaspa, there's always some new innovation on the horizon, riding this wave of continuous evolution and aiming to specifically accommodate the needs of the Kaspa community in Kaspium. Kaspium isn't just any I guess any wallet. It's a right here you can wrap Kaspa, a bridge from Kaspa to Ethereum, Zelcore and Kaspa. Zelcore is a non-custodial multi-asset wallet and trading platform, securely store, manage, and trade cryptos and other digital assets. Supports over 400 cryptos and access to a variety of exchanges. Let's go down here. Yeah, pretty cool. Kaspa on Change Finance, Wallet DeFi. Some pretty big news out there anyway. So Kaspium is now live. That came out. When was that? That was today or yesterday. Is it the 29th or the 30th here? I'll be honest with you, I'm not 100% positive. I work nights, so I get my dates a little messed up here, guys. But the version 1 is now live on Kaspium. Another big thing going on here. Look at this Peta hash, 31.88. All right. We check this out almost every video. It's been up around 24. It's up to almost 32 petahash now. So obviously increasing the speed, which is pretty big here. All right. If we look at the blocks and transactions, they're working just fine. Everything's back to normal after that dust attack there that we had. The crypto bubbles having a little bit of a decent day out there today. Let's wait for these are going to reload here in a second. I've been on my laptop, just haven't clicked on the crypto bubbles here, so they will update here in just a second. Let's pull up Kaspa. There we go. We're over that 1 billion market cap, just over 1.01 billion. 24-hour volume is 8.4 million. Nothing to talk about really. Still at 42nd. Boy, I can't wait till we crack that top 40. That's gonna be obviously pretty exciting. All right, there's a couple charts I want to show you here real quick too. Number one, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has broke a major. Let me see, maybe it's my other chart here. Yeah, this one here. You can see it has broken out of this resistance level right here. Just popped its head out of it. Okay, this blue line right here coming down. You can see it has broken out of it. All right, we had volume coming in right about when that was ready to happen. You can tell the guys looking at the charts. I mean, look at this. Right before that pop happened, right here, this little green one. Then we got that pop there, but we got the daily heading up, and we also have the weekly RSI heading up on Bitcoin. So hopefully this thing will start doing something now. What is it? It's up at 26,928. It had a high today, just 27,238 bucks. So it'd be nice to get a pop out of this and not see, because this is almost looking like a, possible 5 waves down. If we wouldn't have got this breakout, could turn out to be a fake out too. If you zoom in on the lower time frames, look at it back testing that breakout right here, back testing this now as support, and hopefully it's going to start running here. The Dow Jones, that ABC, it did end up coming down and finishing that C wave out down here. Look how it touched that bottom. I mean, we've had this on here. We had this on here before it did that on a daily. You can see here, it worked right down here. Now it started getting a pop out of here, starting to roll over a little bit, all right? But that daily RSI's reset, And the weekly is just about there, just about resets at a 6 and a 13. All right. Excuse me. Something I wanted to show you guys that we've been looking at this for quite a while now. All right. Gold. Okay. We've been talking about this ABC correction on this thing. Let's get this off here. All right. It finally broke that line about 1885, this yellow support line there. Look at it rolling down now. You know, we've been talking about this for quite a while, probably months. All right, ABC down here to 1,800 bucks. You can see that playing out now, okay? But that daily RSI is it's almost reset. It's heading towards the bottom. The weekly is rolling over and the monthly is rolling over. So looks like gold could be coming down to that 800 level. Look at it on the weekly there. You know, it went from 1925 to where it's at now. Look at that big red candle. So getting a pretty big drop there. Something we've been waiting for, all right? You see this overhead support, this blue line here. See how that thing works out? Just like Bitcoin, how Bitcoin has broken out of that. Gold got rejected off of it. All right, now let's get down through here. Geez, just in time for winter. That's something I covered too. Natural gas. Look at this thing. All right, it's going to hold support there. You got the daily. The weekly is heading up. But look at that monthly turning up. Natural gas, you just kind of figure that for winter time here in the U.S. It's fall right now, but look at these wedge breakouts. Just this was last April, May, that ran up on that wedge. Falling wedge, these things always tend to break up. Here you had one here. This thing seems to like making wedge patterns. This is natural gas. So right now it's down to 383. A breakout of this thing's going to put it up, around 9 or 10 bucks again. All right, let's take a look at Kaspa here, guys. We're going to get this on the daily. We're getting a tiny little bit of a pop here, but that's what we've been waiting for. Quite honestly, that's what we've been hoping for here. We had a high today of 0.0488. We're at 0.0480 right now. We have the daily heading up. All right, that thing's heading up here. What we're looking for is that ABC correction. All right, we'll be watching this closely. The 702, either the 5 cent or the 0.0509. If we get through there, we're going higher. Okay, if we don't, watch for this. What we've been talking about, this A, B, C to come in here. This C leg would pull us down here to let's see where it would put us. On top of the B leg. All right, actually this one here would be higher. Right down around, right about 4 cents. If it makes it up to, excuse me, if it gets to a 702, if it only gets to a 618, all right, right there, then it's going to go a little bit deeper. Right down around 4 cents. Okay, that's what we'd be looking at. The weekly is just about in the middle. It's at a 49 to 46. Still bullish, but right in the middle there. The daily's at the bottom. The 12's getting towards the top. All right, so that's your second biggest one. The next one after 12 hours, your daily. This 12 hour is going to have to correct. Now we get the 12 hour and the weekly down at the bottom. And this daily, I would probably expect one of these deals where it rolled, one of them there. Why the weekly comes over, rolls over, gets down at the bottom, and then you have everything down at the bottom, and we get ready for hopefully our next move up here. All right, that's what we'll be watching for after the pull down to the 4 cent area. All right, guys, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Have a great day, everybody, and I hope you have a great weekend. If I don't talk to you by then, we'll see what happens with price. All right, guys, thanks a lot.